Okay, so it's the start of the final 50 days to the Ironman 70.3 in Marathon, just outside of Athens. And I'm in decent shape. I've been running a lot, swimming a lot, cycling a bit in the last month or two. I have completed a bunch of Spartan races this year, but am I ready? No. But this next 50-day period is going to be intense. And I thought this is a good enough place to start the video documentary type thing about my preparation. I have two main goals. Well, one goal is to finish the Ironman 7.3. The two goals that will get me there is one, lose 5 to 6 kilos. So I'm currently about 83. I really want to be around, let's call it 77 kilos, walking around, not even, dehydrated. So 77 kilos, so drastic weight loss, and just to increase my mileage, increase how much I'm swimming, how much I'm cycling, how much I'm running, so that when the day comes and I need to do these things for 7 to 8 hours, I'm ready for it. So what that means is this September, it's the 1st of September, what it means is I'm going to be eating very little calories, probably about 1,500 a day. I'm doing a low carb / keto diet, which works really well for me because I'm very black and white with my diet. If I'm going to eat shit, I'm going to eat shit. I open that door, it's hard to close. But if I just cannot eat carbs, if I just cannot eat sugar, you just forced to eat meat, basically, and nuts and seeds, and you really restrict your diet, which I work really well in, just very focused. I'm going to, this September, I'm going to do my drastic weight loss, probably 5 kilos in September, and then taper off maybe to the 7th of October, 14th October, just bring back, re-calorize myself, bring back some carbohydrates with my running, like gel packs and so on. But that's it. That's it really. That's just the plan. Get the weight off, get the mileage up, and yeah. So that's it. So this week, for example, what I have in the training plan is to do weights, 30-40 minutes of weights every morning except for Wednesday and Sunday, and then also 60 minutes of cardio in the gym. So that's either elliptical, treadmill, or bike. These niggas is missing the hard work, they calling it talent. And I find that disrespectful, cause I put on the mileage. Up for the shit, but I'm down for the challenge. Step off the scene just to find me a balance. These niggas don't want it to get it, cause when it got hard, them niggas will quit it. So much hustle, dog. It's all about that muscle, dog, yeah. Trying to make it out the struggle, dog, yeah. Hey, watch out, this shit bubble, dog, yeah. Look, shit, I chase hit to make some real shit. So right now, I'm probably, let's call it 15% body fat. I need to be about, hopefully, this layer of, if deadlifts will go, these last two abs will slowly come out. I've never seen these two. I've always seen these two I've seen. This layer of Euro I've never seen. So hopefully, this is the part I hate the most. This I really hate. Ideally, you want to be like that, right? So if I get rid of these walkie-talkie feather handles, that would be fantastic, and then get rid of this. Then we're going to be lean. Okay, so I've just acquired this bad boy, a Greek-made triathlon bike, €660 with the added bars and specific pedals, and let's see how she goes. I just did a quick 2-minute ride. Doesn't seem too uncomfortable, but apparently they get pretty uncomfortable. I've never locked in this hard in my life. No alcohol, no nicotine, basically no processed foods at all, actually. I'm trying to think. None. Yeah, none. Very low carb diet. 2 workouts a day. Things are getting intense. But am I tired? A little bit. What do I weigh? 78.6 kilos. Am I exhausted? Yes. I'm definitely being more of the person I wanted to be really my whole life. Okay, so stupidity is reaching new heights. This is my Ironman triathlon suit. It is tight. I still need to lose a few kilos, but I do look like Spider-Man, so pros and cons. Okay, so I just wrapped up filming 180 Roman Emperors a day. I basically just batched all the filming, so now it's just editing to do. So the last 2 days I filmed about 60 Emperors, and last week I filmed another 60, or I think 80 that week. So I am just, well, I'm exhausted. Okay, another early morning, 5 a.m. wake up.